Hygiene protocols are maintained from the very start.
It's recorded for material yield calculation.
Vacuum drying sets the grain Routine health checks ensure prime condition. Hygiene protocols are maintained from the very start. Each animal carries a unique identifier. The journey from raw material to finished product begins. Automated systems log each entry.
Weight is recorded for material yield calculation.
The biological phase ends. The industrial process begins.
Forklift operator, Javier, maneuvers the massive camel hides toward the primary conveyor, the first step in a rigorous tanning process.
Each hide is manually released for initial inspection.
Flaws are mapped and graded here.
Automated sorting directs materials to specialized processing lines. The first stage removes surface debris and begins saturation. Efficient drainage conserves water and chemicals.
Parameters are constantly monitored for consistency.
Gentle mechanical action begins the deep cleaning process. Vibration removes the majority of process water. Automation ensures gentle handling of the delicate material. Controlled drying prepares the hide for the next critical phase. Precision machinery removes unwanted tissue to a tolerance of 1 millimeter. Even tension is critical for uniform quality. Ultraviolet scanning reveals imperfections invisible to the naked eye. The liming process begins to break down hair and epidermal structures.
Inside the liming drum, the hides tumble in a viscous slurry. The calcium hydroxide begins to break down the hair.
The hair, now a byproduct, is separated and recycled.
Enzymatic bathing softens the hide and prepares its fibers for tanning.
Centrifugal force removes water without distorting the sensitive fibers. Splitting creates a consistent thickness and separates premium grain from utility layers. Pickling stabilizes the hide's pH, a crucial step before tanning. Chemical balance is monitored with laboratory precision. The core transformation begins here, in the tanning drum. Chrome tanning permanently stabilizes the protein structure. The result is wet blue chrome-tanned leather. Excess tanning chemicals are recovered and reused. Sammying ensures even moisture distribution for consistent drying. Vacuum drying sets the grain and prevents shrinkage. Staking mechanically breaks the stiff fibers, restoring softness. Tumbling with natural wood chips conditions and finishes the leather's feel. Custom blends of oils and dyes define the leather's final character.
Quality control happens at every stage.
Final finishing establishes the surface texture and sheen. Digital mapping ensures every square inch meets specification. The transformed material is now ready for its final purpose.
Laser cutting ensures perfect, waste-minimized patterns every time.
Cut components are meticulously sorted for assembly. Skiving creates invisible seams in the final product. Critical seams are still hand-guided for strength and precision.
Automation ensures consistent application of pressure and adhesive.
Hand burnishing gives edges their characteristic glassy finish.
The final inspection is the most rigorous of all.
Final packaging protects the product and presents the brand. Automated palletizing ensures secure, efficient shipment.
The journey ends here, in climate-controlled storage.
Each batch is tracked from raw material to final destination.
From mountain facility to metropolitan life.
The process never sleeps. It is monitored around the clock.
Preventive maintenance is the backbone of uninterrupted operation.
98% of process water is recycled and purified on site. Every input and output is digitally tracked.
Innovation continues even after perfection is achieved.
Looks busy out at the main gate today.
Good. Keeps the quotas up. Are you heading out now?
A century of craft integrated into the mountain itself.
Each day ends with preparation for the next.
The culmination of every process, resilience and beauty.